We are going to do a walkthrough of a Dust Technologies DX-200 20 horsepower 7500 CFM dust collector with an AirLock. This Dust Technologies DX-200 dust collector is powered by a Balder 20 horsepower 230 460 volt 3-phase motor. It produces 7500 CFM and has a 14-inch inlet. Up top, you will find that the 132 square feet of filters have been replaced with new filters. Down below, you can choose to use bags, and since it stands nearly 60 inches off the ground, you can use taller bags than most collectors. This dust collector also includes an AirLock powered by a 0.5 horsepower Balder motor, which would allow you to transfer waste via a transfer fan to a larger waste bin outside if needed. This DX-200 stands 148 inches tall. It's 30 inches deep at the widest part, which is the fan side, and it is 136 inches in length.